Traders, Zelman here. It's August 28, 2018 after the market closed. It's a Tuesday. We're going to provide a trading report on EQLB. I posted earlier today on Twitter a possible boom, and it boomed, but I expected it to go over to. The fact that it dropped down made me raise my eyebrow, but as I started looking on the technical level, and I look for bottoms and support, and I really like bottoms and support. And the news came out, and obviously it's not new news. This is all news. Everybody knows one of the Shark Tank members are actually shareholders of this product. I believe it's called The Last Shot. Before your night ends, you take a shot, and supposedly it sobers you up. Okay, I don't know if it's true or not, but a lot of people says it's real and it works. And if one of the investors of Shark Tank invested in it, I'm pretty sure they gave it a test run before they put their money in this particular stock. Anyhow, EQLB, I would have loved her to close at 2 cents or higher. The fact that she traded downwards, she looks a little shady over here, but not entirely. I'll tell you why, because there's support levels, and we have an inverted hammer that what she has done today at the lows. What's just mind-boggling for me is why did she trail down at the end of the day? It could have been just a seller trying to get out of position. Let's zoom in and let's take a better picture of what she looks like. Let's do a 60-minute real quick. And so you see it just dropped the last 30 minutes, the last 10 minutes. The buyers couldn't hold her up. But she's at support, and I'm just going to show you support levels. I believe she's going higher, and this is her bottom. So we have multiple support levels for her. And right now we have a higher high. Okay, so this was its previous high. This is a new high. So it looks like the trend is taking over, and you can see that right here. Okay, it looks like the buyers are trying to take over and change the trend from a downtrend to an uptrend. This news might have helped it. If it closed at 2, I would have said yes, they would have taken over, and that's what I was hoping for. It didn't happen, but I still think this is the bottom, and the buyers will eventually take over. Once she closes over 2 cents, the buyers has taken over. Then you see I have a trend line here. This trend line, I don't know if it's accurate or not, but I have it here, and we'll double check if it ever gets to that trend line area, and we'll see if it tests that area. I believe it's accurate, but when there is no other slope higher except for this one, it's really hard to determine. But time will tell if this is its resistance trend. Okay. And how you can find that out is if you have a trend line similar to this that I put up there, pay attention to the market makers, not electronic communications networks. Look for the market makers in general on level 2. If you don't understand what I'm talking about, go to my site, thetradingteacher.com, visit the live trading course section, and review the curriculum. Hopefully I'll see you in my course.